Saya mau syuting.
Nggak bisa.
Kenapa?
Lagi demam.
Demam apaan? Perasaan kemarin nggak apa-apa.
Demam Proliga. Jangan lupa buat nonton Proliga mulai tanggal 3 Januari 2025 cuma di video. Aku sih nggak sabar banget buat nonton tim Jakarta Lava nih, terutama Taylor Sander. Kalau kalian dukung siapa? Komen di bawah ya.
Then when the power of the people reaches up a country that captivates the world, the general expected that will never disappear. The free and low generations are your powerful wings.
TWS kalian bisa kayak gini nggak? JBL Tour Pro 3 ini sih next level TWS, fiturnya lengkap, kasih kita new experience, music compatible with any device, no cancellation, and smart charging. Cek Tokopedia sekarang karena ada eksklusif JBL discount sampai 50% dari gambar 17 sampai 21 diskon TWS sampai 50% dan gratis ongkir. Kasih tenang Ramadhanmu dengan Tokopedia, dijamin dapat promo.
The other main the country of population and focus more than 37.5 million. In the most populous country in Central Asia, Uzbekistan is a number of the country that organization. So is like the world Uzbek spoken by the Uzbek people is the official language and spoke by the majority of its inhabitants, while Russian and Tajik are significant minority language. Islam is the predominant religion, and most Uzbeks are Sunni Muslim. Economy. Main article economy of Uzbekistan.
Samarkand nggak cuma cantik, tapi juga pernah jadi pusat ilmu pengetahuan dan kebangkitan Islam di masa lalu. Samarkand yang sekarang ada di Uzbekistan adalah salah satu kota paling berpengaruh dalam sejarah Islam. Kota ini nggak hanya berada di jalur sutra, tapi juga menjadi tempat di mana ilmu pengetahuan, seni, dan budaya Islam berkembang pesat. Setelah ditaklukkan Timur-Leng di abad ke-14, Samarkand dijadikan ibu kota kerajaan Timurid. Senior Ulugh-Beg, cucu Timur Leng, membangun observatorium yang jadi salah satu pusat astronomi terbesar di dunia. Samarkand juga dikenal dengan madrasah-madrasahnya yang mengajarkan agama, matematika, hingga ilmu alam. Selain jadi pusat ilmu, arsitektur Islam juga berkembang pesat di Samarkand. Kompleks Registan dan Masjid Bihani menjadi bukti kejayaan Islam di bidang seni dan budaya. Kota ini membuktikan bahwa Islam di masa lalu adalah peradaban yang maju dan inovatif. Samarkand itu bukan cuma kota sejarah, tapi simbol kejayaan peradaban Islam. Jadi gimana menurut kalian? Tulis pendapat di kolom komentar ya. Dan jangan lupa follow kisah perjalanan lainnya.
2010 $6,000 and then 2018 Uzbekistan up to $10,000 GDP per capita 1873 to 2018. This data is used for differences in the cost of living between countries, and for inflation it is measured in constant 2011 information of US dollar scores median protect database 2012 and fund London 2000 or World Data URC according Gadraw CC baik. Development of real GDP per kapita. Uzbekistan main
adalah sebuah universitas Islam dari abad ke-15. Ada di Registration Square, ini adalah pusat kota Samarkand
di
Uzbekistan
tahun
pada abad ke-15. Bangunan madrasah ini dibangun hanya dalam 3 tahun. Ini halaman
the world
lengkap dengan
in
drainase di sana buat air mengalir ke bawah. Lantai 2-nya adalah
2015 Uzbekistan gold production was
madrasah ini dibangun oleh Raja Sultan yang juga adalah salah satu guru besar
metric ton. Uzbekistan copper deposit rank 10 in the world and its uranium deposit
dari Raja Ulugh-Beg. Beliau lagi ngajarin
12.
astronomi kepada murid-muridnya.
The
Situasi belajar
country's
seperti ini kurang lebih
uranium
kalian bisa lihat
production rank
usia dari 15 tahun sampai
7 globally.
gurunya ada di tengah.
The
Ini adalah pelajaran yang diajarin di sini.
National
Untuk abad
Gas
ke-15 ya. Kalau
Company
kalian di sini di abad ke-15, kalian ambil jurusan di mana guys? Komen di bawah.
back the gods rank 11 in the world in natural gas production with an annual output of 60 to 70 billion cubic meters. 2.5 trillion cubic foot. Country has significant untapped reserves of oil and gas. There are 1,094 deposits of hydrocarbons in Uzbekistan, including 98 condensate and natural gas deposits and 96 gas condensate deposits. Uzbekistan improved marginally in the 2020 year of doing business ranking by the World Bank. The largest corporation involved in Uzbekistan energy sector are the China National Petroleum Corporation (CNPC), Petronas, the Korean Nation Oil Corporation, Gazprom, the oil, and Uzbek Naftogaz, along with many Commonwealth of Independent States or CIS economies. Uzbekistan economies declined during the first years of transition and recovered after 19 28 will be almost double its value in 1995 in constant price since 2003 annual inflation reached reaching almost 40% in 1000 and less than 20% in 2019. Uzbekistan has a GDP per capita of $2,020 in current dollars in 2018, giving a PPP equivalent of $7,230. Economic production in connected in commodities in 2011, Uzbekistan was the world's 7th largest product and 5th largest exporter of cotton. Percent of Uzbekistan labor force and contributed 17.4% of its GDP 2000. Four million hectare, or about 10% of Uzbekistan total area. Will official unemployment is very low. Underemployment, especially in rural areas, is estimated to be at least 20%. Cotton product in Uzbekistan is important to the national economy of the country. Uzbek cotton is even used the bank notes in South Korea. Uzbek cotton export has become the cause of a scandal related to the Russian-Ukraine war and sanction impossible on the Russian military industry, according to the Organized Crime and Corporation Reporting Project OCCCRP. Plus and stories after
Rien de sens et l'air est lourd. Le regard absent, il est seul et lui parle. Souvent il n'est pas fou, il aime c'est tout, il la voit partout, il attend debout, une rose à la main, non, plus rien ne le retient.
Hajga borgan odam endi spiskasi bo'lmaydi. Mana men 2000 qo'shib berdim. Kerak bo'lsa 1000 tasini bu yuboraman. Kimni yuboraman? Masjidga kirib, o'zini masjidda mahallasiga kirib ibodat Qur'onni bemalol o'qib berib, shu ko'chadagi, shu mahalladagi adashganni men bo'ynimga olaman. Bu adashgan bo'lmaydi. Mani ibodatim, shukronaligim shu bo'ladi.
Russian companies Bina Group.
Alhamdulillah hammamiz musulmonmiz.
Kim Trade and Lina Kim sold imported cotton wool in Russian to military brand under US sanction. Country as a considerable product of carrots as well. The use of child labor in Uzbekistan has led several companies, including Tesco, C&I, Mark and Spencer, Chubb, and H&M, to boycott Uzbek cotton. Yacht Garlic Silk Factory, fetching multitude of economic challenges found occurring independent. The government adopted an evolutionary reform strategy with an emphasis on status control, reduction of import, and self-sufficiency in energy. Since 1994, the state-controlled media have repeatedly proclaimed the success of this Uzbekistan economic model and suggested that it is a unique example of the smooth transition to the market economy will avoiding shock, population, and stagnation. As of 2019, Uzbekistan economy is one of the most diversified in Central Asia, which marks the graduation reform strategy has involved postponing significant
you can only eat this bread in Samarkand, which looks like a bagel but without a hole in the middle. This is a traditional bread from Uzbekistan called non, and we have to go to the market in Samarkand to find the best
in the eyes of the bread trade has remained a dominant influence in the economy. Corruption parameters the success and grow more rampant over time. Of February
we're trying to find the difference between the two types of bread, and it turns out that the one on the left is actually lighter than the one on the right. So
on the country by the International Crisis Group suggests the reform now earned from great export facility cotton, gold, maize, and then increasingly gas are distributed among a very small circle of the ruling elite. Will it or no benefit for the population at large? The early 2000 high-profile corporation scandal involving government contract and larger international companies, notably Telesonera, have shown that businesses are particularly vulnerable to corruption when operating in Uzbekistan. According to the Economic Intelligence Unit, the government is hostile to allowing the development of an independent private sector over which it will have no control. The economic policy has referring investment with
is the level per capita in the Sea. 4 is the largest, where the foreign company entering the Uzbekistan market has been the difficulty of converting currency. In 2003, the government accepted the obligation of Article 8 number Romawi under the International Monetary Fund (IMF), providing for full currency convertibility. However, strict currency control and the tightening of borders have lessened the effect of this measure.
Я расскажу вам про одно место, которое обязан посетить каждый, кто оказался в Узбекистане. Недалеко от Ташкента расположились невероятной красоты нефритовые озера. Вода в них цвет драгоценных камней, вокруг горы, высоченные и заснеженные. Так и просят сфотографировать их. Некоторые остаются на Нижнем озере на пикник, любоваться видами, болтать и купаться. А неугомонные путешественники, такие как мы, поднимаются еще выше, чтобы лицезреть верхнее озеро, более глубокое и холодное. Если честно, то они оба прекрасны.
1994 stabilization effort implemented with guidance from the IMF pace of the inflation rates were brought down to 50% in 1997 and then to 22,000% in 2002. Since 2003, annual inflation rate is averaged less than 10%. The economic policy in 24 resulted in a drastic reduction of inflation to 3.8%, although alternative estimates on the price of a true market visit put it at 15%. The inflation rate moved up to 6.9% in 26 and 26% in 27, but have remained in the single digit range.
Если ты в Тбилиси увлекаешься астрологией, психологией, любишь играть в игры с новыми людьми, приходи ко мне на игру 18 и 30 апреля. В процессе игры участники исследуют особенности своей натальной карты, свои сильные стороны и таланты. Игра позволяет работать с бессознательным, объединяя астрологические, психологические и игровые методики. Ставь плюс, чтобы узнать подробнее.
Although the taxes were removed for foreign cars in 2020. Official tariffs are combined with official discriminatory charge result into charge amounting to as much 1,000 to 100% of the actual value of the product, making imported product virtual unconvertible. Import substitution is an official declared policy, and the government proudly report a reduction by a factor of 2 in the volume of consumer goods imported. A number of these countries are official exports from Uzbekistan import Duty. Uzbekistan has a bilateral investment treaty with 50 other countries. The Republic Stock Exchange ratio opened in 1994. The stock of all Uzbek joint stock companies around 1,020 2,050 are third on ratio. The number of listed companies as of January 2013 exceeded 1,010. Futures market volume reached 2 trillion in 2012, and the number is rapidly grow due to the rising interest by companies of attraction necessary resources to the capital market. According to the Central Depository, as of January 2013, portfolio of outstanding shares of Uzbek emitters exceeded 9 trillion. Thanks now in part to the recovery of world market price of gold and cotton, the country export commodities expanded, natural gas and some manufacturing export, and increasing labor migrant transfer. The current account turned into a larger surplus, but 9% and 11% of GDP from the 2003 to 27.5 in 2018. Foreign exchange reserves, including gold, totaled around $25 billion. Thanks in the part to the recovery of world market price of gold and cotton, the country's key export commodities expanded, natural gas and some manufacturing export, and increasing labor migrants transfer. The current account turned into a large surplus, but 1% and 11% of GDP from 2003 to 2005. In 2018, foreign exchange reserves, including gold, totaled around $25 billion. Foreign exchange reserves amounted in 2010 to $13 billion. Uzbekistan is predicted to be one of the fastest growing economy in the world, top 16 in future decades, according to a survey by Global Bank HSBC. Uzbekistan was ranked 80th in the Global Innovation Index in 2024. It is expected that Uzbekistan GDP will reach $125 billion in 2025. Thank you very much.